Hi everyone, this is an incredibly easy yogurt cake. It's super soft, moist, and fluffy, and you don't need any special skills or complicated ingredients to make it. Anyone can make this cake at home easily. These are the ingredients for this recipe: 165 grams all purpose flour, 170 grams sugar, 180 grams yogurt, 120 grams oil, 2 eggs, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. One important tip when baking a cake is to take the ingredients out of the refrigerator ahead of time and let them come to room temperature. This will help you get a smoother batter and a softer cake. To start, we add the eggs. Then add the vanilla powder and sugar. Use a hand whisk or an electric mixer to beat them really well until the mixture turns light and creamy. Make sure it's smooth and airy. That's what will make your cake super soft and fluffy. As you can see in the video, we want our cake batter to reach this color. At this stage, add the oil to the batter and give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Now add the yogurt. Mix the yogurt with the cake batter until smooth and even. Now combine the flour and baking powder and mix them well. Next, sieve the flour and baking powder and slowly fold them into the cake batter, mixing gently until everything is combined. As you can see in the video, the cake batter now looks like this and has the perfect consistency. So, when we are using a pattern cake pan, we can't use a parchment paper. The solution is simple. You can either use a baking spray from the store or make your own mix with flour and oil. I will show you how. Start by brushing the pan with oil, paying attention to all the little grooves. Next, sprinkle some flour and spread it around so every part is coated. Give the pan a little shake to get rid of the extra flour. If you do this well, your cake will come out of the pan perfectly without sticking. Now it's time to pour the batter into the cake pan. Give the cake pan a few gentle taps. This helps remove any air bubbles and make the batter settle evenly for a smoother and fluffier cake. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then place the cake pan in the middle rack and bake for 40 to 45 minutes. One important tip: don't open the oven door during the first 30 minutes, or your cake will completely lose its rise. After making sure the cake is fully baked, take it out of the oven and let it cool completely before serving. A simple way to see if your cake is ready is to gently stick a wooden skewer or fork into it. If nothing sticks, it's done. Remember, do this while the cake is still in the oven. Once the cake has completely cooled, gently run a knife around the edges to loosen it from the pan. Then turn the cake out onto the plate. Just look at this yogurt cake, soft, fluffy, and perfectly moist. It's the kind of cake that melts in your mouth and makes you want more. If you enjoy watching this recipe and want to see more delicious baking, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel.